I'm not taking a picture of you.
Robert, snow. Robert, get in here. Joe's gonna freeze. Robbie, hurry, it's cold.
Hurry, Robbie, it's cold out there. Dude, this is like really, this is fucked. Gene, this is like really, that's like the front of our house. It's just like blizzarded in. My God. Gene, come over here. This is my steps, I think. Front of the house. Gene, the windows are like sandblasted with snow. You can't even see through them. Gene, you can't even see through the windows. On the stairs. My God. I want to fucking poop. All this snow makes me want to poop. That's supposed to be a bush. That's a bush too, I think. Gee, this is crazy. Neighborhood's fucked. I hear no one except the Indians. Yeah. Nice sunset though. And there's Jean in the comfort of her own cold garage. Gee, this is fucked. We're fucked. We're gonna freeze to death tonight. Alright, we're good.